What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. 2021 is, well, it's just about over. And we got some things done this year. And this is a video I'm gonna make every single year because it's a good way to reflect on things you've done and things you want to accomplish. So this is my 2021 recap of this year. Now, in the beginning of 2021, I had some plans and, well, I got COVID like the first week of 2021. So by the sound of my voice and the title of this video, I got diagnosed with COVID. So that was kind of fun, and it kind of forced me to be creative because I really wanted to make content because I was driving myself crazy. So I got some quick release tabs for the BRZ bumper, which I don't know, I thought was kind of neat because it held everything together. One, my bumper is definitely secure now. It's not going to fall off, and I know that for a fact, but there is still a bit of a gap there. But it's better than it flaring out because both sides became unbuckled. So it does look better in that aspect. And I don't know, this look is interesting industrial look, and I kind of do dig it. A huge highlight with the Civic is when we literally dropped the motor out of the EK Civic. We're pulling it out, the straps, well, they just didn't do what I thought the straps were gonna do, and well, we dropped the motor. 2021 was supposed to be a huge year for both my BRZ and my Civic, and I was between jobs again this year, and money's tough sometimes. So we did accomplish quite a bit with the Civic. We ended up getting the new B20B engine. We will be running a B20 B4 in the Civic. And we ended up throwing it in the car. Time for the moment of truth and the part I am absolutely terrified for. Let's release the chains. The motor is in. And after all of it, we did end up driving the Civic with my first ever engine swap. Was it the best drive ever? No. Take it for its first rip. I'm so freaking nervous. I think it's fine. That's as fast as we can go. Really? Yeah. Is it forward? Yeah. We're in like lit mode right now. Might have to push it back. Oh shit. Oh no! Yeah, that's not good. We were so close! No! We have to push this shit back. Dude, that sucks. Oh man. Should I just like try to reverse back in? Yeah, sure. You just look behind me, make sure we have no cars coming.
I don't see any. There is a car coming, but not in that direction. Scraping the whole time.
It limp moded the whole time. Oh, no, we're good.
Thanks, though.
Oh man, that's embarrassing. You need help? I mean, probably, but like, I don't know how to ask for help right now. I don't even. It drives better now, but I'm still waiting on a part. So the first real professional looking drive for the car is definitely gonna happen in 2022, unfortunately. But I'm 99% sure I know what my last problem is, so that thing will be ripping down the streets in no time. Honestly, I never really thought that I would be able to do an engine swap myself, but here we are. We did an engine swap by myself, and I think that is an amazing accomplishment. Yes, it's not perfect, but it's my first engine swap ever, so there was gonna be some hiccups along the way, and we're finally getting super close. I guess 2021 really was a year for the Civic. We did the entire Scarebird kit and got rid of all the drum brakes on the Civic. converted everything to calipers and disc brakes, which I thought was a cool thing. That video did decently well because a lot of people want to do it, but they just don't. So I thought converting all of that was a really neato thing to do, so that's why we did it. Before the engine even went, the Civic went through 2 transmissions, and almost had to get a third one because I messed up the one, but we ended up fixing it all, so we were all mint there. After the total 3 years of having my BRZ, we finally got new wheels for it, and I still think it's one of the cleanest wheel setups I've ever seen on a BRZ. Just check these things out. And then unfortunately disaster struck, and we only had the wheels for a couple weeks, and I was waiting for coffee at Dunkin' Donuts, and somebody decided to not use their rear view camera, and well, they backed up into me. Destroyed my feelings for that car. So we ended up getting it fixed, and then we kind of got rid of the car. And now we are where we are today with the Volkswagen Golf R. Welcome to the channel, my 2016 Volkswagen Golf R, which I have, and I keep saying this every single year, but I've got a lot of plans for this car. Early 2022, there's already gonna be parts on the way. I already have parts in my back seat for the car right now, so this car is gonna go through a total transformation, and I'm really excited where this car brings me. I really do miss the BRZ, and every time I see one, I get a little sad because that car was just so dope. But this car is performance, and it's clean, and this car is amazing. So 2022, we got a lot of things planned. So I'm going to make another video of my plans for 2022, but this is just a short little highlight recap of what we accomplished and what we did in 2021. So I think this year was big on learning. We did a lot of stuff that I didn't think I would do, and we got rid of my dream car. So it just goes to show, I don't know what's gonna happen in 2022. Anything could happen. I'm gonna put more of a focus on uploading more because, well, I've been slacking a lot this year. I wanna upload at least once a week, maybe twice if I can. It's really tough with my schedule, but I can always wake up earlier and make content. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So I hope you guys had a great 2021, and I hope you guys are all looking forward to 2022. So if you guys can please do me a few things: comment, like, subscribe, keep doing the fun stuff, keep doing you, stay motivated, boys. Catch you next time. Peace out and peace.